Hi, I'm Moisés Hernández. I'm co-founder of Fundación Indígena Naküa de Universo, Bosque. We are based on the Venezuelan Amazon in Puerto Ayacucho. We work with indigenous communities to tackle deforestation and illegal mining. We implement natural-based solutions on degraded areas. We plant syntropic forests like these ones with more than 30 native species. We want to replicate this into indigenous communities to reduce the deforestation rate to 50% on the long term, to rescue traditional knowledge, and to innovate with added value products. We want indigenous communities to avoid mining and to have a prospect sustainable living future. Thank you. Iduwali.